Good morning, scholars. Today we're going to continue our way through Pharr's treatment of Iliad Book 1, looking at lines 74 to 79. This, of course, is a preview of the full 12-minute video to be found on my Patreon site, available to sponsors. So I beg you to consider joining us, becoming a sponsor for the $5 a month that I charge. Okay. O akiliu kele aime di bile mute sastai, meinen apollonos, vakate beletao oanaktos, toiga ego reo, sude sunde og, kai moi amoson, amen moi profron, webesen kai kesen arexen, ega oiomai androkolosemen hos megapantonage on krate e kai roi pethontai akaioi. So these are the wonderful response of Calchas to Achilles, and as usual I go through the vocabulary and morphology of each line. There's not a lot of grammatical complexity in this section. We have a couple of imperatives, reviewing the imperative forms, and then we talk about the grammar of oaths and the way they proceed, some of the particles that support them. But by and large, this is a pretty straightforward passage. So there's not a lot going on here, but of course it would help you quite a bit if you were trying to work through it yourself. Okay, and there you see the personal pronouns of the third person of Homer. And I guess we go through the pronouns as well. And finally, we go to a fine point in Monro, talking about words that began in the more archaic form of the language with sigma, digamma. And that is our treatment of it. Okay, so I hope you will become a sponsor on Patreon so as to have access to this video in its full. Whatever the case, I wish you good luck with your Greek and hope to see you again soon. Have a very good day. Goodbye.